This next song, after the Mau movement in Western Samoa, the New Zealand government finally had to decide to put our people into put-away jail. They call it jail, out in the little town of Waimea in the Vaimoso area. There's one guy here from Vaimoso. It's a song called Wa'ata Maile Teine.
The kings of Maputasi, the kings of Tutuila are in tonight. The kings of Fatu Mafuti are in tonight. All these kings, please put your hands up. I want to see all of you back there. All the Manua people, people of Tutuila, I see you back there. You ready to see? Wa'ata Maile Teine, Kas, Lua, Go, Fa! Wa'ata Maile Teine,
All the kings from Savannah, the kings of Upolu, are you there? Ana Tuamasana, Atua, Puleoma Salafai, and the big island of Manono. Here we are, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tofumato, Ile Awala, Papeo Ando, Uapulumu. Everybody, here we go! Uaata Mailete, Ila Bato Pole, Watofumato Malesano, Ile Awala Te, Papeo Ando, Uapulumu. This is your time, the kings of Kalihi. Yeah! I see the king of Laie sitting in front here. Mr. Pulifano is the king of Laie. What about the king of Camp 4? Let us all sing. 2, 3, 4. Wa'ata mailete, ila mato vole. Watofumato malesalo, ile awalate. Papeo ano, uapulumole. Fafalaye malpo, fafay malpo, fafay malpo, fafalpo, fafay malpo. Bakia, bakia. Wa'ata mailete, ila mato vole. Watofumato malesalo, ile awalate. Papeo ano, uapulumole. It's all sounding good. Give yourselves a nice round of applause, everybody. How about a nice round of applause for the crew back here? The guy on the left is from the big town of Haunu. The lady in the middle is from Manua. And another guy from the big city of Lauli in Western Samoa.